Welcome to FleetDesks ERP. In this tutorial, I will explain to you what is a chart of account and how to add new accounts using your company's chart of account. So, chart of account is basically the accounting structure of your company. As you already know, that there are basically five types of accounts: assets, equity and capital, expenditures, liabilities, and revenue. And for each of these, we have their own respective subcategories, which we call it as head one. So the assets, they are divided into two subcategories, which are current assets and fixed assets. And equity and capital is divided into three subheadings, which we call it as head one, which is partners equity, retained earnings, and partners capital. Expenditures, they are divided into two categories: indirect or fixed expenditures, and direct and variable expenditures. Liabilities, they are also divided into two categories, which are short-term liabilities and long-term liabilities. And revenue, this is divided into two categories. One is other revenue and sales revenue. And if you want to create any other subcategory, you can simply select a pre-head. Let's say you want to add a new subcategory for your revenue. You select the revenue and you write the name, the new head one name. Let's say I will select here anything here and save. So you can add your own head one category here. And each of these subheadings, they are divided into further head two. So here we have created a detailed chart of accounts. This is basically called your chart of accounts. Here we have already added a very relevant and customized and highly focused chart of accounts for delivery services businesses. So all, as you can see, the assets, they are divided into, I have cash, stocks, bank balance, customers, input VAT, and basically every relevant account or the respective account head, it's already added here. If you feel the necessity to add any further account, you can add further feature here and you can modify this chart of account as your preference. So using this chart of account, you can create as many ledger accounts as you want. So if you go to the account section on the left-hand menu, the second option, you can see add account and view account. So first we will discuss about view accounts. So here every possible ledger which already exists in your system is showing here. So I can see banks, customers, suppliers, expenditures, all of these accounts are here. And as you can see, for every account, we have already selected our respective pre-head, head one, head two, and nature. If you want to add any new account, you can simply go to the top right button for the addition, or you can click on the add account button. Here, the first option is the account code. There is already a by default code mentioned here. And if you are satisfied, okay, if you want to give this one a unique code of your own, let's say this is the new code that you want to add. You can write your own code. The next thing you will add your account title. In my case, let's say we will add another bank account in the system. So I will select the name of the bank, Mashreq account 10. Let's say this is my account number and I want to add this bank in the system. So now here what you will do is you will select your pre-head, which is, as you know, for a bank, it's going to be an asset. It's going to be a current asset, and this is going to be a bank balance. And then this next thing, nature, this is very important. So this will actually differentiate one account from the other. So from systems point of view, we have already created all the possible natures here. If you feel the necessity that you want to add your own natures, we will not suggest you. We will always suggest you to use by default nature here. But if you want to add it, you can add your own natures from the system. But we will not advise you. We have already added all the possible natures here: employee, supplier, customer joins, whatever you need, it's already there. But still, if you want to add more, you can do that. So here I have bank account, and all of the next informations, they are optional. If you are adding a customer or a supplier, you will add their contact information details. You will also add your account confirmation details, TRNs, IBANs, whatever. And simply you hit the save button, and that's it. You have added a new account. Uh, every possible account, every account that you want to add, you will add it from here except the employees, because if for adding a new employee, you already have a different menu in the left hand side. You can see in the employee section, you have an option to add an employee. So do not add an employee here, because if you add an employee from the account section, it will be only added as a ledger account. You will not be able to see this account in the employee related roles. You will only see in the financial roles. You will not see that account in the employee roles. So add employee through the add employee option. and every other account that you want to add, you can add from the account defining option. And once your account is created, you will see it in the view accounts list. You can customize your chart of accounts list as you see fit. And yes, that's it. If at any given time you want to search it, you can search the employee, the account with the name or with the employee code. And if you want to see the details, you can click on the view button and you can see the account details. And also, if you want to export all of these accounts into an Excel sheet, you can use the export Excel feature. So I hope this is clear. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to our customer service team or you can drop a comment. And thank you so much.